What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna work on the Avalanche. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, so today we are gonna do the front wheel hubs as well as the wheel bearings. Now the wheel bearings actually come into the hubs. They don't sell them separately, as what I was told from the guys at Chevy. So I went over to Chevy, bought these wheel bearings. Amazon had them a little bit more expensive. Chevy gave them to me for $160, so bought two. Let's get on replacing them. After jacking up the vehicle and securing it properly with jack stands and wheel chocks, we work on removing our wheels. Having an air gun makes this job much easier. Place the wheel under the truck for added security in case your jack stand fails. To loosen our axle nut, we use a 36mm socket. Now we need to remove our caliper. I find it easier to remove the entire bracket assembly in one go. Use an 18mm socket to remove both mounting bracket bolts. A pry bar is used to help assist us in removing the caliper assembly. Place the caliper on the upper control arm. Be careful not to damage the line. We remove the rotor and place it out of our way. Now we spin the hub to listen for our worn out bearing. You can definitely tell that this bearing is worn. Worn bearings, if ignored, can cause your wheel to fall off and potentially hurt someone. So please address your repairs as they are needed. Now remove the axle nut completely off. You can remove this all the way off in the beginning as well. Using a 15mm wrench allows us to remove the 3 bolts holding on our hub assembly. This hub assembly contains the wheel bearing as well as the speed sensor. Now we unplug our speed sensor and remove it from the upper control arm. After releasing the 3rd bolt from the hub assembly, our hub assembly is finally free. Sometimes you may need to whack the hub with a hammer for it to be removed. Now let's clean our knuckle. We remove any rust and dirt buildup with our wire brush. Then spray some brake cleaner for a great clean. Last, we apply some grease or anti-seize to prevent sticking in the near future. Now we install our new hub assembly. Make sure you don't forget your backing plate. Move the speed sensor wire out of your way. Then start tightening all 3 of your 15mm hub bolts. Reinstall the axle washer and 36mm nut. Then hook up your speed sensor. Reinstall your rotor and your caliper. Then tighten down your caliper. Before driving, make sure you pump your brakes until the pedal feels firm. We would not want any accidents. Finally, it's time for us to reinstall our wheel. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that really quick episode of me showing you guys how to, why is my nose itchy? Of me showing you guys how to install your front hubs with wheel bearings. Now I'm sorry, we just got this whole change of scenery and we're not outside. My nose is really itchy, what the heck? It's raining a lot and I'm not gonna put my camera, even though it's waterproof, it's not going outside. I don't care, it's not going in that rain. I'm not testing its waterproof abilities. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure that you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed already, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know, are you gonna change your front bearings soon? If you did, how long did it take you? For me, the actual install took 30 minutes. Making the video took about 2 hours. Did you guys enjoy watching this video? Let me know all those comments in the comment section below. Also, if you have any ideas of videos that you want me to make in the future, also leave that in the comment section as well. Guys, I have also mentioned the 5K giveaway will be coming out soon. Majority rules for the DeWalt tool set, so we will be doing that. I'm going to be setting all that up soon for you guys. As soon as we hit 5K, we'll get through the whole thing. Contest will last about 2 weeks, and then the giveaway will proceed. So, you guys know what it's about. Super Clean's going to give me a bunch of stuff to give to one of you guys, as well as you're going to win the DeWalt tool set, as well as... That's it. That's all y'all going to get. But, with that being said, guys... Oh, one more thing. one more thing. Guys, I just came out with some King custom stickers. You can put these on your windshield, your back window, wherever the heck you want on your car, even on your toolbox, just like one of the viewers, Raphael, is doing. So Raphael, thank you so much for ordering these. Man, any one of you guys who want to order this, definitely reach out to me in the comment section below on YouTube. Let me know that you're interested. I will respond back. I always respond to everybody anyway. Or hit me up on Instagram in my DMs. Tell me you want one. We'll set up something. They cost about $6 and free shipping. So get one, guys. Support the channel. Everything that you purchase from me does help support the channel. These will be for sale on kingcustoms.com. Still working on the website. Almost out soon. But with that being said, peace out. See y'all later. Peace.